Not only have Gamma released the boosted clipper, the boosted trimmer, but now the boosted foil shaver. Come unbox it and test it with me. You gotta just cut it. So, would I recommend this foil shaver? It's really hard for me to say this because Gamma is always developing their products, always developing, manufacturing, getting better. They're always getting better. So it's really hard for me to say no because I would literally say yes. I'm really trying to find a product where I can kind of say, I'm not really sure, or buy this one, because they are just getting better and better and better every new release. For example, the blades, not only have they got 1, 2, but they have 3 blades now, guys. As you can see here, that middle one is a thin little blade, foil shaver blade, which is fantastic. It just lets you cover a lot more area when you're foil shaving, and as well gets the job done quicker, so you're going to be saving time on your cuts. The sleek design, quite small, as you can see by my hand. It's a small foil shaver. It's very lightweight, and you can customize this front pocket here, so you can actually have an indentation which comes with it, an indentation grip, so you can change this plate off, put that one on, and it just gives you extra support when holding that foil shaver. And as well, look at the back, it has 3 indentations at the back, so when you're holding this foil shaver, it's not going anywhere. It really upped the game on this. Obviously USB-C. My last 2 points why I would recommend this foil shaver is because it has an indication light of your charge time. For example, if you're a barber and you only have 1 foil shaver, or if you're just starting out, whatever it may be, and you don't have a light display for your charge time, you may be foil shaving, and I've done it in the past. I've been foil shaving and it's just cut out and has ran out of battery. I haven't realized, or it's a tiny little light display which you don't really notice. But with this, it is right in front of your eyes. You cannot miss it at all. As you can see, it lights up, it flashes, it changes different percentages like a bar level. So my last final point, and probably the best point why I would recommend this foil shaver, not only obviously the 3 blades, come on, but it is water resistant. So if you aren't a barber and you're watching this and you just need a foil shaver for home use, whether you're shaving, full shaves, whatever it may be, you can get out of the shower, get out of the bath, even with a wet face, you can still now do a full shave with this. It is water resistant, which is absolutely a game changer. So that is my personal review on the Gamma boosted foil shaver. If you have the money, 100%, you know I would always recommend it. Go ahead and purchase it. All the links in the bio down below. Hi, it's Tyler the Barber here, and I want to personally thank you for watching our content. Click on one of the videos here to keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for exciting new videos dropped every single week. And I'll see you in the next one.